National Dodgeball League. I'm the Commissioner, and I'll be with you for today's exciting matchup. It's the Oregon Avalanche versus the Seattle Blue Dogs. Now let's take a look at the team's starting lineups. For the Oregon Avalanche, it's number 6, Jeff Christek. Number 23, Jess Jackson. Number 44, Joe Paisano. Number 78, Joshua Curtis. And number 98, Sean Penner. For the Seattle Blue Dogs, it's number 8, Anthony Big Daddy Jennings. Number 11, Tyler Dubuque. Number 25, Kip Patterson. Number 31, John King. And number 99, Anthony Decker. Let's get ready for the action. And the Blue Dogs go into their barking pregame ritual, getting all fired up. Both teams line up. And the rush is on. And Seattle comes up firing. Tyler Dubuque goes wide. And here comes Seattle again. A fake by Anthony Decker. Kip Patterson able to take out Josh Curtis for the Avalanche. The Avalanche with the first man down. And there goes Jess Jackson for the Avalanche. Number 23 heading to the queue. A throw by 98. Sean Penner goes wide. And here comes Joe Paisano. And he picks off Kip Patterson. Number 25, Kip Patterson heads to the queue. The Avalanche down 3 men to the Seattle's 4. Throw by Paisano, blocked by King, and he's pointing it out to everybody just to make sure they know. Dubuque comes up to the front for Seattle. Throw by Paisano, goes wide. And Penner and Anthony Decker both missing. Nice dodge by Penner. The Avalanche looking to get something going here. Joe Paisano tiptoeing along the back line, trying not to step out of bounds while he picks up that stinger. Let's see what the Avalanche are going to do here. There's Jeff Christek. Oh, and he catches Anthony Big Daddy Jennings sleeping. Jeff Christek takes out Jennings, and Tyler Dubuque also heads to the sideline as the Avalanche go up 3 men to 1. There goes John King. Nice dodge by Joe Paisano. Paisano, the southpaw, picks off Anthony Decker, and that leaves John King all alone for the Seattle Blue Dogs. Christek tries to take out King. King doesn't look too happy about it. He's calling for a ball. He wants one of those stingers. Penner takes a shot. No luck. King scrambling, forced to throw a ball. Picks up a stinger finally. Oh, and he pays the price for it. He blocks with both hands. His hands are hit, and he goes down as the Avalanche bring home the victory. And fans, if you enjoyed watching the pros, the NDL has amateur tournaments happening around the country. Check out the NDL.com for more info. That's the NDL.com. And we'll see you next time on NDL TV.